This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Animal Crossing New Horizons on PC Online, updated. Use an emulator or streaming app, connect a Nintendo account, and enable online play through a stable VPN or port forwarding if needed. I will walk you through setting up controls, syncing save data, and joining friends' islands safely. Follow safe network steps, check controller mapping, and test voice chat options before inviting others. Start by choosing an emulator or game streaming method for PC play, then install required software and drivers. Configure controller mapping and keyboard shortcuts, set display options, and choose input layers that match island play. Test network latency with a friend or a local server, adjust graphics or resolution to balance performance, and save a backup of your game files in case you need to restore progress for safety. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to save time while you play. It picked up crumbs and dropped shells during my last island session, so consider it for less chores and more gaming. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To join friends online, exchange island codes or use friend lists, then schedule a time to avoid conflicts. Use voice chat external apps or in-game nearby chat depending on your setup, and mute unknown players when necessary. Keep saves backed up, monitor update patches, and respect Nintendo's terms to avoid bans, while enjoying shared island activities like trading, visiting, and multiplayer events with clear communication. Practice etiquette and offer to help new players learn the basics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.